Welcome back to lesson 1. In part 3, we're going to examine raising and lowering the weld. So, here we are with a blank weld again. My recommendation when you've got a blank weld is to start off with the brush painter, make a nice big square, and then simply click to add plenty of weld. Now, I don't like that, so I'm going to switch to something else very quickly. I'm going to take grass, and I'm just going to paint over all of that. There we go. Now, it's important once you've got your weld to actually raise all your weld to begin with. So this tool here is the raise terrain tool. What I recommend you do is that you make the brush a little bit bigger than that, and then hold down the left mouse button for a few seconds to raise the weld nicely. What this allows you to do is, if we make the brush smaller again, it gives us the ability to either raise extra parts of the terrain to make a mountain, so I'm using the left mouse button here to do this, and what it also allows us to do is to actually lower parts of the terrain to make sort of rivers. So if I right click here and run a river all the way through, it's a bit bigger, that one, there we go, we've got that bit lowered, look. If you don't raise the weld, you will not be able to lower any of the weld, and as a result you'll have some problems. Now, whilst we're here, we'll also look at smoothing the weld out. This tool smooths the weld. So if you want to use the left mouse button, that slowly but surely sort of irons the weld out, so everything becomes just a little bit sort of smoother than it was before. Again, it'll take some time to get this right, but the longer you keep going, the smoother your weld will become and the less blocky it will look. If you right click, you can level the weld out. Now, my recommendation here is start at the level you want to be at, hold the right mouse button, and then work your way into the bits that you want to level up to that point. It will take some time, but it's a good way of being able to make sure that everything is how you want it to be. The other tool you can have a look at is the Make Spiky tool, or the Roughen tool if you like. This is useful if you want to roughen landscape really quickly and make it all jaggedy and horrible. So there you are, you can see that it's all nice and rough at the bottom there. Okay, so there we have it. That is the raise and lower tool